Hi all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Replicon is hiring through us. So they are hiring for software engineer trainee. So candidates who are not eligible for this notification, you can also check for the notification from Flock. So Flock is hiring for product support engineer. So they are hiring BTech candidates with 60% in engineering. So if you are meeting this eligibility criteria, do come over here and apply for this notification. Already online exam is going on. So let's come back to Replicon notification. Coming to the eligibility part. 2020 BTech, BSc, MCA, MSc, MTech from Computer Science, IT, IS branches are all eligible for this notification. And candidates should have good academic record, 70% or more aggregate and no backlogs. So they are clearly saying that Replicon is looking for software developers who are passionate about coding and technology to work on our time intelligence platform. Our SaaS application is used globally by thousands of customers and millions of users. We want to build out our team with more engineers who are also passionate about building great applications and care about giving our customers a great user experience. So what skills they are looking for? Good understanding of software development fundamentals, OOPS concepts, ability to convert the requirements to simplistic technical design, expertise in any of the scripting languages, expertise in C# or Node.js, good analytical and problem solving skills, and openness to write code that conforms to the best practices and policies of a large software organization, not just your personal preferences. A desire to take ownership and pride in everything you do and stand by what you deliver. Readiness to hit the ground running. You may not know how to solve everything right off the bat, but you will put in the time and effort to understand so that you can. So there are a lot of points what you can also learn. So after this video, I'll be keeping this link. Just come over here and also go through these points. So how we will work. So they are talking about work culture. An agile development environment delivering software features to production every day. Work as a team, have fun as a team. A relentless desire to continuously improve. So coming to the work location, it is in Bangalore. And the main thing, salary 6 months as a trainee, you will get 25,000 rupees per month, and post conversion, it will be 5.5 LPA. This drive will be directly happening through company. So if you apply over here, so for all eligible candidates, directly test link will be sent by the company. So all the best guys. So interview round will be coding test along with MCU questions. So what you're waiting for? Just go to the description, click on the link, come to this page, apply over here, attend the interview and crack it up. So all the best guys. We are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.